Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual-zone AC, power driver's seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.